Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to fix restricted mode on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Due to the age variety among its audiences, YouTube has to impose certain restriction on the type of content uploaded to the site and who could access them. If you've accidentally enabled restricted mode on your YouTube application but you don't know how to turn it off, then here's how to do it. Tap open YouTube application from your mobile device or your web browser. From the main homepage, make sure that you're logged into your YouTube app. Once you're logged in, go to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Tap on settings on the next page, and now from the settings menu, tap on general. You'll be able to see an option that says restricted mode. If it is toggled on and if it is turned blue, it means you've turned on the restricted mode. Disable the button in order to turn off restricted mode on your YouTube app. Once you are done, you'll be able to fix YouTube restricted mode on your iPhone quick and easy. If it still does not work, you can simply try deleting YouTube application from the app drawer by pressing hold the app and tapping on remove app. Tap on delete app and now reinstall the application by going to your app store and searching for YouTube. Download the application back again and tap on the open button to launch open YouTube application. Doing this might help you fix your YouTube restriction mode. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.